Hello, in front of me I've got SsangYong Rexton. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage map. In the beginning, let's press navigation. Now, you can zoom map in or out. You can change map view. And you can go to menu. In menu, you can search for navigation, add home, find recent destinations, my places, and find POIs. You can also change voice guidance volume. If you press setup button, you can change map appearances, change voice of voice guidance, manage maps, route planning, sound and warnings, units and system settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.